It truly brings me great pleasure to tell you about one of the best, loyal, and most dedicated employees I have ever interfaced with and continue to lean on for help even today, Shoaib Rehan. Shoaib began working for me at the onset of a vision I had in 2016, and he helped me bring it to life. His creativity, drive, and excellent programming and communication skill set made it possible for us to work together, to plan out goals, lay out a timeline, analyze preemptively risks that may present themselves, test and execute with a tenacity to do the best possible job on any given task. A few of many, many tasks were creating an entire custom website backend with a test and live area, seamless email integration, website analysis tools and Google Analytics, API integration, website tamper and attack prevention, and I even shipped him a physical board and asked him to get near field communication, such as what you get at the wireless pay station Apple Pay, to work for a custom application that I had. This was something outside of his comfort zone, working with actual hardware along with software code, something completely new, and he jumped right in. His desire to deliver, get the job done, and learn new things that he was not necessarily at all familiar with shows what an amazing person he is to collaborate and explore new ideas with. Above all, with a remote worker, I can only say that the biggest quality that is the hardest to come by is trust. Can this person be trusted? Are they actually doing what they say they are doing? I don't want to have to monitor them. Can I give them logins and allow them to speak and get technical support for my product on my behalf? Can I trust them with credit card purchases and my entire account access? Yes, yes, and yes. I handed the keys to many of my projects directly to Shoaib, knowing 100% that there was nothing to fear. He called our payment processor, background checking company, website hosting company, etc., and resolved issues on his own without me needing to be there. He is not a person that will just let the clock run waiting for further direction. Instead, he is proactive and will take action, pushing the limits and bringing ideas to the equation that you may not have even considered. On top of trust, he has two last qualities that I want to bring to light that are worth mentioning, and those are loyalty and family. Even at times when our funds got low and we were burning that midnight oil, he was there. There was a time where we were just working and working and working. It's late at night, and he did not jump ship, and he did not fall off the face of the earth. He was always there, just a phone call away, regardless of the time. The support that even today Shoaib provides after a project may have been on hold for some time is something you cannot put a price on. Lastly, he is a family man. His wife, kids, and relatives are his pride and passion, which shows that he is a man that knows what actually values in life. Without Shoaib, I wouldn't be able to have what we both created together, and I am forever grateful.